Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be talking about the basic tools every beginner formulator needs. When you are just starting out in skincare formulation, you don't need to buy every fancy lab tool you see online. The truth is, with a few basic tools, you can safely and accurately create your own products at home. These tools will help you measure, mix and test your formulations properly. So the first tool on my list is digital scale. A good digital scale is the most important tool you will ever use. Skincare formulation is not about a little of this and a little of that. Ingredients must be weighed accurately, usually in grams, to make sure your product is safe, balanced and effective. Even being off by 0.1 gram can change the stability of your formula. The second on my list is heat-proof beakers or mixing cups. These are used to measure heat and mix ingredients. Heat-proof beakers allow you to safely melt butters, waxes and oil. Having separate beakers for your water phase and oil phase is helpful. Then the third one is mixing tools such as spatulas, stirring rods, immersion blender and hand mixer. Spatulas and rods help you stir smoothly and scrape out every bit of your product without waste. An immersion blender or hand mixer is especially useful for emulsions like lotions and creams, as they ensure oil and water mix properly into a smooth, stable product. Please do not use the same equipment you cook with in your kitchens. Once tools are used for cosmetics, they should be dedicated only to formulating to avoid contamination and health risks. The next on my list is pipettes or droppers. Pipettes are small but very important tools for measuring or transferring tiny amounts of liquid ingredients such as essential oils, fragrance or preservatives. They help with accuracy, especially when working with ingredients needed in very low percentage. So the next one is pH strips or pH meters. Many skincare products like cleansers or toners must be within a certain pH range to be gentle and safe on the skin. pH strips are a beginner-friendly option for testing. As you grow, you can invest in a digital pH meter for more accuracy. The sixth one is gloves and protective wear. Safety always comes first. Wearing gloves protects your hands from raw ingredients and keep your formulation clean. You may also want to use goggles and a face mask if you are working with powders or strong actives. The last but not the least, small containers or jars. These are for storing your finished product. Using clean airtight jars or bottles helps keep your product fresh and free from contamination. When formulating, accuracy ensures your product actually works and doesn't cause harm. For example, too much of an active ingredient can irritate the skin, where too little may make the product useless.